Today, I'm cooking a simple and delicious fried rice with crispy fried chicken. It is suitable for lunch or dinner. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of cooked rice, 2 eggs, quarter cup of cut carrots, quarter cup of cut yellow onions, 3 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour, quarter cup of green peas, 150 grams of chicken breast meat sliced, 1 tablespoon of spring onions for garnishing, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 red chilli sliced, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and half tablespoon of sesame seed. Start with marinating the chicken. Put all the chicken in a large mixing bowl. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika powder. Marinate until the chicken and seasoning are well incorporated. Alright, this should be okay. Add in 2 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour and sesame seeds. Continue to mix until chicken is coated with flour. This may be slightly sticky, so add in the balance of the tempura flour and mix. Leave it aside to marinate. Next, cook the fried rice. Heat the pan, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in the chopped garlic. Stir until crispy and brown. This will take around 1 minute. Alright, the garlic is brown and crispy. Switch off the heat and remove the garlic from the pan. Leave it aside. In the same pan with some garlic oil, switch on the heat. Add in the eggs. Since the oil is very hot, the eggs will cook really fast. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. Switch off the heat. Remove the eggs from the pan and leave it aside. Switch on the heat again. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, the onions and carrots. Stir and cook for about 1.5 minutes. Add in the green peas. Reduce the heat to low. Add in the cooked rice and mix. Add in light soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and chilli. Raise the heat to medium-high and stir for about 1.5 minutes or until well combined. After 1.5 minutes, the rice and the other ingredients are well combined. This should be enough. Reduce the heat to low again once more. Add in the cooked eggs and fried garlic. Give it a final stir and mix. Alright, this should be enough. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already perfect. Switch off the heat and leave it aside. Next, fry the chicken. Switch on the heat, add in the oil for deep frying in a separate pan. Wait for about 6 minutes for the oil to get really hot. Dip a dry long wooden chopstick in the oil to check for bubbles. This will indicate that the oil is hot enough. Drop the chicken in the oil, piece by piece. Since chicken pieces are small, they will cook really fast. Fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes or until brown and crispy. After 5 minutes, see, the chicken is well cooked and very crispy. Remove them from the oil and allow them to rest in the strainer to drip the excess oil. Back to the fried rice. Sprinkle some spring onion and stir. Now I can dish out and serve. We can directly serve on the plate or beautify the dish by decorating it. Arrange some cut chilli in the bowl and some peas. Stack the rice inside until full. Put the bowl upside down on the plate. Add in some cut cucumber on the side. with crispy fried chicken on the side too. Once done, remove the bowl. Wow, the meal looks amazing. Sprinkle a little bit of cut spring onions. Fried rice is usually served with cut chilli in soy sauce. Alright, the delicious fried rice with crispy fried chicken is ready. Let's eat! Very delicious and tasty. The chicken is tender and crispy. It's go very well with fried rice. I will want second serving for this. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.